You're live. What'd you do?
Okay, so buttoning everything up. Everybody's plugged in. We're plugged in under here. Under the alternator, the crank sensor is plugged in, zip tied up out of the way. We have our cable routed down through here. Everybody's tightened up, in good shape here. Zip tied all this in. We broke the traditional Harley stuff coming apart because it's old and junk. Zip tied in nice and tight. Everything looks good here. We have our ground strap installed as well that runs to the regulator.
All right, good.
What are we missing?
Primary drive, oil,
top end, big bore kit.
So yeah, gas tank's not there. Yeah, that's about it.
All right.
We're almost done.
Oh yeah, 15 minutes. About 15, 20 minutes. We'll be in for dinner.
Clock says 5 after 1. I hear a rattle. All right, so
Just turn the radio up. You don't hear that rattle anymore.
we need to get the other side going.
Okay, so, and you know anybody that can sell me a really fancy, expensive clutch that I can slap in this thing that it doesn't need?
No, nobody around
All
here.
right, never mind.
No, we need to get this thing together though.
Nope.
Okay, we got to lube up our shaft because you don't know if you can zerk it, so we'll just loop it beforehand. So where's your fancy lube gun? You got it?
Yep.
You got any grease left in it to
Yep.
lubricate that with? Besides that racing STP, we get some good stuff.
We're going to want to put that O-ring on here before we move any farther though.
You want an O-ring on there?
Yeah, I mean, it helps.
Do you want the bent up blue one that came in the kit, or you want the nice new black one over there?
Man, I want the nice new black one.
Okay, let's go with that
Those
one.
fancy James ones. And you know what's nice? Tatro informed me this fits every year motorcycle that I own, which isn't many.
Every year.
Oh yeah, 73.
Every year.
73, we got a soft tail in the
But
back.
not that one right there.
Oh, not the white one. Not the white one. So 83, 2004, 96, that's 2010.
There you go.
It's small. What do you know?
One bag. Everybody. Pretty good job.
Pretty nice. All right, let's
Yep.
open this. And what I'm going to do,
Now, if you only cut an
I'm
inch,
going to slow down. I knew he was going to get to it. He's serious about his packaging. If you cut something like a little too big, they're all going to fall out now.
if you only cut a couple inches, your bag stays working. Just cut one corner. That's all you need. They come out. Oh my good rag here. Whose rag is this? It's gonna be mine now. Look at that. There's plenty of them in there. That's only one of a bunch.
Wow.
The other baskets over there are good.
All right, I'm going to put some assembly lube on this.
Yeah, the kit, they pinched all the damn seals and gaskets in here when they put it in this board. I don't like that method of packing. It's not good for the gaskets.
This is the only gasket that goes on here, right? Everything else is sealed.
There's all kinds of them, but I already did it all. You got one, you got a primary gasket here. Okay, we need to get some lube on a couple parts.
Okay.
Your 9/16 somewhere. There it is. I got the important parts. Tripod too.
That first one left like a blue varnish on there, but I can't feel anything with my thumbnail.
You mean the original Harley one that was in there?
Yeah.
It's all right. If you can't feel it, it don't matter.
Where did I put that gasket?
Which one? I don't know.
I know I put it here somewhere.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Where'd he put it? Around his dick. Put this nice glue in there. Like that one? It's already got a curved pinch on it.
Oh, that's nice.
That figure.
Alright.
You already lubed up all that stuff. Did you tighten up your nut?
This one?
Yep.
That one is. She's ready to roll. She's ready to partay, if you will.
So when do you want to put the jack shaft hardware on there?
Before or after, huh? We got that one part that has to go on here, right?
Yep.
That goes through a seal, does it or does it not? Yeah.
Nope. Not this one. Which way you want to put it, like this or like this?
Do that again. Okay, so the taper obviously plays into this. I like it the first way. That is not the way. I do not believe so, at least. I think it goes the other way.
Why?
Because it's holding itself too far off right here.
Let me see, what's wrong with this? You don't like that little gap back there?
No.
Maybe that's how it's supposed to be.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You think the lip belongs out, not in?
I do. I believe this should go like this.
Oh, you want this one to go like
Tapered.
this?
I believe so.
You also there's room to actually tighten the nut up this way, whereas the other way you wouldn't have any threads. That could have been a clue.
Was it? I feel like this information could have been valuable a few seconds ago.
Before we put it on. Okay, this goes on first because this will go through the seal here, but that will
Okay.
not. I would recommend a little, some
Looby lube?
some nice grease on there, and maybe that cheap crap over there. Just nothing else to keep the rust down.
Right.
A little lubricant would never hurt anyway, so I'm sure it works back and forth on it. Why don't you just put it on the shaft, it's easier.
It's too late.
No, it isn't.
It's too late for that now.
Shaft's
Tatro.
still
It's all
dry.
been done.
How much can go in the belt now?
As much as you want me to put on there, you know, I got more. I can lather it up.
Lather it up.
You can
There
just-
you go. Go for it.
It's,
Is that nothing there?
less restriction for racing is what the issue is.
Yeah, you forget which way it goes on, see? Told you could
Of
get
course,
it
it had to happen like that, didn't it? He was waiting for that to happen.
Right
He's
on the-
happy right now because
right
of
on the
that.
belt. Don't put that in there, it won't be able to put the thing together. Okay, we got lube on it. Get this thing hydraulics on it, it won't go all the way in.
Hydro lock.
Hear it?
This is a family program.
Could have
teacher.
more on there. Could have some on the splines here if you want, a little bit on the.
All right.
there, but
Let's do that. That'll be
there
fun.
you go.
That'll be fun.
A little bit on the,
It's fun.
bit on the other part. A little bit on the shank. In case some on there.
This is a family show, Tatro. I just told you that.
Yeah, well. Get that thing lubed up. Okay, she's lubed. All right. We don't need this in there right now. Okay, you got the O-ring on there where you want
The
it?
ring is on there.
You sure? You
I'm
like
ready
it?
to roll. I'm ready to roll.
Ready to roll? You got any hardware to go with this project? Where's your hardware? Okay, I'd pull out the shaft and stick it in the hole over there and go ahead and spin that around. Stuff her in the hole.
What? What? All the what?
Some hardware for you, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. It's very kind of you. What shaft and what hole? What are we talking about?
I pull that shaft out and put it in the hole so it works better.
Is this one leaky? Obviously, it's.
Move
I'm
your
gonna
feet.
go the opposite way.
Put your feet out of the way. Protection on my legs over here. Okay, where's your shaft? You got the shaft?
Put it right there.
Good. What's this go? Did you limp up your hole yet? Your hole's dry. That's a dry hole.
Nobody wants the dry hole.
That's a dry.
Nobody.
That's a dry hole in there.
You want it here or you want it there?
I went on both.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a big gap between these two bushes right in the middle. Later on, we'll lube it with a zerk gun, but you have to get
A
it
zerky
flexible.
nerky.
You have to fill the zerk gun back up. You know, you get-
We
you
lost
get lube.
the whole thing somehow.
I know it still isn't coming out over here yet. There's a lot on the zerk, but there's nothing anywhere else. Don't get too careful because that's going to go you know it goes the other direction, don't you?
Oh,
If you
yeah,
put-
should have been on the back side.
If you put it over here,
Nick is coming with all these wonderful tips. You know, just a few seconds behind. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
thank you for that. We do appreciate all of your help, though.
I like how you lubricate the outside after you spend all the time cleaning it.
You guys ever get the feeling that really, no matter how you go about it, he's not gonna be happy with how it was done.
I'm saying. It would help when it would help. You know, I'll give myself as usual.
You know what they say? It's hard to find good help around.
Which is there toll in there yet?
Yeah, exact.
You got grease everywhere now.
Fucking greasy. Who did this?
He lubed that sucker up, didn't he?
You know, Harley did a really great thing with this matte black. It's really great at retaining any sort of dust, dirt, mud,
Good lubricant.
anything.
Yes, it
Anything. It's like Velcro.
It sticks to
It's
it.
a great product. It's well done.
It sticks like glue, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they're proud of that.
Yeah.
They've been running a long time.
Okay,
I got grease from head to toe now. This is great.
We're getting some more on this.
I'm lubed.
Now, which way does this go in?
Is that the part that
That you
the
lost?
mysterious part that
You lost?
I had nothing to do with losing? Really, I did.
Go like that. Where's the spring go? On this side or the other side?
That's
Go like that?
I like that. I like it.
Are there any threads there?
You got the pushy.
There's no threads.
Okay.
This is bound up too. You want to go in. A little better. That's not engaging.
Spinning around.
Starter motor's not attached square, that's why it's not working.
Ah.
How'd that happen?
Nobody knows.
You should have known that.
So that snap ring is just a depth seat.
Keeps from going too forward now. The right one? Looks like it. Yeah, it probably worked a lot better once it quit sliding. Just sitting there flat.